Here's how to get better code from AI using a simple trick. Instead of asking Claude directly, I first explained my project to ChatGPT. ChatGPT creates a structured prompt with clear instructions, features, and requirements. Then I copy that prompt and send it to Claude. This is the result using a structured prompt. Structured prompts give cleaner code, better design, and more complete features. Now let's try the same request directly in Claude without structuring it. This is the result. It works, but it's less organized and lacks detail. So instead of asking AI directly, use ChatGPT to refine your prompt first.